Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this second part of our JavaScript ecosystem series, we will learn how to set up Node.js and NPM inside your ASP.NET project, the foundation for integrating modern JavaScript tools and frameworks. Node.js allows JavaScript to run outside the browser, even on the server. NPM or Node Package Manager helps you install thousands of JavaScript packages easily. Together, they form the base of every modern web project. Even if you code mostly in C#, using Node.js makes your ASP.NET project modern and maintainable. You can add front-end frameworks, optimize performance, and automate build easily. Go to the official Node.js website, download the long-term support version and install it. Then open a terminal or command prompt and type node v and npm v to confirm your setup. Inside Visual Studio, open the project terminal and run npm init y. This creates a package.json file, your project's central configuration file for managing JavaScript dependencies. The package.json file stores your project info, NPM scripts, and dependency list. You can define commands like npm run build or npm start to automate common tasks. Now, let us install a few packages. You can add jQuery, Bootstrap, React, or any library you need. NPM automatically creates a Node modules folder with all the dependencies. You can directly reference these packages in your pages or use Webpack or bundlers to include them in your build pipeline. This gives you full control over which front-end libraries you want in your ASP.NET app. NPM scripts are shortcuts to automate commands like compiling assets, watching file changes, or running local servers. Instead of multiple manual steps, you run everything with one simple script. Visual Studio includes a task runner explorer that detects your NPM scripts. You can execute or auto-run them during build events, making your JS and C# workflows work side by side. If you run into errors like npm not found or missing packages, just check your system path, rerun npm install, or open Visual Studio with admin rights. Let us recap. You have installed Node.js, initialized npm, added some JavaScript packages, and linked everything with Visual Studio. Your ASP.NET project is now ready for the modern JS workflow. In the next episode, we will dive into ES6, the modern version of JavaScript every ASP.NET developer should master. You will learn how to use new syntax and write cleaner, faster JavaScript code. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your feedback or questions. Stay tuned. We are just getting started with the complete JS ecosystem series.